Hi, welcome to the Vintage Mint. We're going to get started. I'm going to show you how to make the crab sign. First, you want to take your transfer, the backing off your transfer, label it so you know what the front from the back. Fuzz it with a towel. Now the transfer lasts 8 to 12 uses as long as you take care of them. I waxed this chalkboard, and the reason why I waxed it is it wasn't a Chalk Couture chalkboard. And we wax those to make sure our transfers don't get permanently stuck or damaged when pulling up. Fast with the chalk paste, so you want to put it down and squeegee it off and get the excess amount back in your, save as much as you can to put it back in your chalk paste jar. The reason why is because it will stick to the transfer if you're not quick about it. Chalk paste is exclusively sold with Chalk Couture. It goes on wet but dries hard, and it is smudge proof. It does come off with just some water. And if you would like to order, you can go to thevintagement.net at any time and order from there. If you need to message me, you can message me on Facebook. We have the Facebook fan page, thevintagement.net or the Vintage Mint. I encourage you to join my Facebook private group called the Vintage Mint Chalkers, or the Vintage Mint VIP Chalkers. And I usually have specials that let you know workshops coming up and everything like that. Just go to Facebook groups and search the Vintage Mint VIP Chalkers. I'm using a We Are Memory Keepers laser square to line up my transfers. Now I am making this with currant jam color and white chalk paste. Those are my two colors for my crab. I'm also going to seal this afterwards with a clear polyurethane spray and then let it set to dry. That way it'll be waterproof and permanent. We do sell inks, and they are permanent, but they're more for fabrics because you have to heat set them. Crab, I wanted the jam color on the outside primarily, and I want it kind of mixed in so it looks kind of like a crab. And then I'm going to squeegee it all off. I will not be putting the excess back in my jar because I don't want it to mix colors. And then we'll be done, and it looks beautiful when it's finished. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then come find us at Facebook. I do live videos, so you can watch me create something on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I decided to add the knots to the side as kind of as an afterthought. I wanted to give it some more depth, so I just chalked those on the sides. And I didn't wash right after. I just picked it up and flipped it and went ahead and did the other side. You can usually do that 3 to 4 times before you have to wash your transfer in cold water and use one of our Chalk Couture erasers.